Hello everyone, how are you going? Today I have some massive news, especially if you saw my previous videos on Wizardia.io, which is a play-to-earn role-playing strategy game coming out from the Binance Smart chain and Solana very shortly. They finally have a date for their token listing on Gate.io, a tier 1 exchange, and PancakeSwap. In today's video, I'll briefly review Wizardia again and its huge up-and-coming events, such as the details of the token listing on Gate.io and PancakeSwap, how to stake your Wizardia tokens on the site to earn up to 114%, and finally, how to get their Genesis NFTs, which you'll be able to stake and earn from as well. Before we get started though, please slap on that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and activate the notification bell for future videos. Just to review, Wizardia is a play-to-earn online role-playing strategy game on the Binance Smart chain and Solana. The three core gameplay pillars are innovation, turn-based combat, player decision-driven game evolution, base building with sophisticated economy model, and this is the part where we'll be making some money. Check out my earlier video which has a lot more details about the gameplay. By the way, the game will be released in stages and the alpha version will be released to early investors in Q2 of this year. Now finally, what we've all been waiting patiently for is the exchange listing, which will happen on Gate.io on March 24th, 12 PM UTC. Gate.io is a very trustworthy and one of the biggest exchanges out there, doing about $1.5 billion per day in volume. You can link directly to Gate.io from Wizardia and sign up if you haven't already. They'll also be listing on PancakeSwap on the Binance Smart chain at exactly the same time, so if you prefer using your Metamask and you already have that set up and funded, then you might prefer that route. If you're unsure on how to do this, then check out my earlier tutorial on the top right. Just some very basic security stuff that you should probably already be aware of, but just in case, if you're buying from PancakeSwap, before you buy the token, just make sure from Wizardia on their Twitter and just wait for them to release the correct Wizardia token address to avoid those scam tokens, and then just paste in that address into PancakeSwap and purchase as many as you need. Hope that makes sense, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Now that you have your tokens, rather than just doing nothing, just sitting in your wallet, you might be interested in staking them for some very decent APR. This is very super simple to do. Just scroll down the page to stake tokens to earn more and choose the period you want to stake for, and then you can calculate your projected rewards. So when that time is up, you'll be able to unstake that amount plus get your rewards as well. For those of you who are interested in getting your hands on one of the Genesis NFTs, where you'll be able to benefit from automatic staking rewards before the game launches, plus passive income from every action in the arena after launch, then the third round of Genesis NFTs is still available. The possible revenue from these NFTs is very exciting, and there is even a calculator on the site where you can estimate your possible earnings. Anyway, I made a very super simple tutorial in the earlier video, so if you want to, you can go and check that out. Yeah, so go and check out my earlier video on how to purchase the Genesis NFT. The only difference between now and then is that now we are in round 3 of the Genesis NFTs. In the video it was round 2, so the price was $175 per NFT, but now it's round 3, so the price is now $225 per NFT. Anyway, there is only a very limited number of these NFTs remaining, and each one of them will generate some income, and from here on in, the prices will only go up. Alright guys, I hope that has given you some very good information on what is happening in Wizardia at the moment. The project is really starting to hit those targets, so hold on to your hats and let's go. Thanks for watching the video today guys. Don't forget to slap on the like button and would appreciate a comment below if you have time. Bye for now everyone.